Hello and welcome to the Boston Structural Heart YouTube channel. I want to introduce the Boston Structural Heart course, which is a live virtual course accredited by the Harvard Medical School Department of Continuing Medical Education. It will be held on August 11th to 13th, 2023 for the first time. My course directors and myself, we are all in the process of creating innovative content for this structural heart course. It is specifically designed for cardiac anesthesia fellows and echocardiographers who want to increase their proficiency in imaging for structural heart disease. So the reason I'm talking to all the audience of the Boston Structural Heart YouTube channel is to introduce our masterclass in three-dimensional imaging. This is something that we are working very hard to produce and are very proud of the content we've generated so far. This is a workshop which is not about knobology. This is not learning about a specific system and how to operate that system. Unfortunately, because of the presence of a single vendor in the market for so long, the three-dimensional imaging workshops and training courses have essentially become knobology courses with very little reference to the actual science and the physics that goes behind three-dimensional imaging. What we have uniquely done in this course is to take it from the very scratch, that is the formation of a pixel and picking up that data with a scanner and follow its course through the fiber optic cables and the circuits to the point of generation as imaged on the screen. People will really find themselves highly proficient in playing the physics of ultrasound system and not the knobs, which means you'll be able to play with the knobs to create actual three-dimensional images which are independent of what the vendor provides you with, because we will teach you the physics of three-dimensional echocardiography. This course is very well timed for those cardiac anesthesia fellows who are starting their fellowships and can treat this three-dimensional imaging workshop as a boot camp to learn the art of the physics of three-dimensional imaging. We'll go over the different technologies, different vendors, different systems, compare and contrast, and lay out the differences and the similarities of various imaging modes. We have also panel discussions that will relate to difficult situations, 3D imaging artifacts, and addressing and resolving clinical dilemmas with two-dimensional and three-dimensional imaging. And that is all in addition to world-class lectures on various aspects of structural heart disease that relates to edge-to-edge repair for mitral and tricuspid valves, valve-in-valve therapies, radiation safety, as well as the conduct, logistics, and administration of a structural heart disease service. There's a lot of content packed in these 2.5 days, and it is virtual. You can do it on your own time, and the content will be available to all the attendees for an extended period of time. There will be live interaction between the faculty and the attendees, and we are in the process of setting up a unique, near realistic experience for the attendees. And as you will go along in the weeks and months to come, we will give you teasers of what is likely there to come, and you will see that course being highlighted on the Harvard Medical School website soon, as well as we'll be sending out advertisements in major journals, as well as American Society of Anesthesiology websites. Stay tuned for more, and me and my course directors, Dr. Sharkey, Dr. Bose, and Dr. Mahboobi, will be addressing you frequently in the weeks and months to come. Thank you very much, and good luck.